The thing I want to talk about is the use of your AC system. A lot of times people tend to get in their cars. It's been sitting out in their parking lot. Their truck has been sitting out in the parking lot for several hours. 100 degrees outside, 140, 150 degrees inside your vehicle. One thing to help cool it down a little faster, people may think that their AC is not working as well as it should, but actually they're trying to cool down a 150 degree vehicle. What you can do is use your normal setting on your AC, roll your windows down a little bit, let it blow that hotter air out, and after a few minutes then you can roll your windows up, set it on maximum, and what that does is recirculates the air, so you're actually cooling cooler air instead of really hot air. But also, if you think that your AC is not working as well as it should, we can always give it a checkup. Come by, we can check it out, see what's going on. We do full AC repairs. Just a little hint to get you through the summertime. Another thing that you're starting to head into the summer is batteries. Your batteries have been starting your truck all winter long. It's been cold, it takes a little longer to crank. The oil's a little thicker, it's been putting a little extra stress on it. Good time to come by and get your batteries checked. We keep Motorcraft and AC Delco batteries in stock for your GMs and Fords. Come on by and we can check those out. You know, batteries are kind of important. A lot of times they go out at the most inopportune time. So come by and let's check it out for you.